We're trying to figure out how many shares of each stock does she own. And she's got shares of stock A, stock B, and stock C. All right, and the first sentence tells me the price per share. First two sentences. Let's write an equation. Sarah purchased half as many shares of stock B as stock A. All right, so that means B, half as many, it would be 1/2 A. Okay? And Sarah purchased half as many shares of stock C as stock B. So stock C would be 1/2 times B, which is 1/2 A, which is 1/4 A. And then we've just got A number of shares of stock A. So we know that if we take the total amount of money invested in stock A plus stock B plus stock C, that's going to give me this total of 714. So A is the number of shares of A, B is the number of shares of stock B, and C is the number of shares of stock C. Well, if I take the number of shares of stock A and I multiply it times the price of each share, that gives me the amount of money invested in stock A. And then if I add to that the amount of investment in stock B, that will be $7 times 1/2 A, number of shares. And in C is $10 per share times the number of shares, which is 1/4 A. My total investment is 714. And this is a linear equation in terms of A. And you all know we like to clear our fractions first. So we're going to multiply every term on both sides by 4. 4 times 4.5 is 18A. Plus 2 will go into 4 twice. 2 times 7 is 14A. Plus, and then of course that 4 will cancel and you're left with 10A. And 4 times 714 is 2856. So that's 42A equals 2856. And that's A equals 68. So I've got 68 shares of stock A. And then B is 1/2 A, or 1/2 times 68. And that's 34 shares of stock B. And C is 1/4 times A, which is 1/4 times 68, and that's 17. So 68 shares, 34 shares, 17 shares.